How to resolve acceptable use. Violation on Mailchimp. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Log into your Mailchimp account and check your email for any notifications regarding the violation. Mailchimp usually provides details about the issue and the reason for account suspension. 2. Review Mailchimp's acceptable use policy carefully. Ensure your email campaigns comply with their guidelines, especially regarding spam, prohibited content, and subscriber permissions. 3. Identify the email campaign or list that may have triggered the violation. High bounce rates, spam complaints, or misleading content are common reasons for violations. Contact Mailchimp support through their help center. Explain your situation and request clarification on the violation. Provide proof that your emails comply with their policies. 5. Make necessary changes to your campaigns. Remove any content that violates Mailchimp's guidelines and clean your email list to ensure you're only sending to engaged subscribers. 6. Submit an appeal if your account is suspended. Provide detailed information on the steps you've taken to resolve the issue and assure Mailchimp that you'll follow their policies moving forward. 7. Once Mailchimp reinstates your account, follow best practices to avoid future violations. Send emails only to permission-based lists, maintain high engagement, and avoid spammy content.